Okay, welcome to everybody. This is the project called Ethnic Minorities Matter. I am Sebastian Roodriguez. I am a student of the Universidad Pedagógica Nacional, and I'm going to let you know what this project is about. And well, we are going to see different the main goal of this project, how we can relate this project with um, the English language. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this, this presentation. So, well, let's start. In this case, we have our main goal. Our main goal is express opinions and critics about ethnic minorities' rights, culture, and society. This project is addressed to a standard level. The media, it could be 10th grade or 11th grade. And the students will be able to comment and debate of lifestyles of people from other cultures, relying on written text and previously studied orals. So this is our main goal, express opinion and critics about ethnic minorities. So we are going to know how to relate this cultural issue with the English concern. So here we have our understandings. The first one, recognize what are the cultural minorities in Colombia in order to avoid discrimination and xenophobia. And the second one is understand cultural projects in Colombia to avoid them and promote ideas of change. So that is like our steps to cover this project. So here we have some essential questions that are going to help us to develop this project. The first one is how many cultures are in Colombia, how those cultures interact nowadays, and the last one, what are the current problems that affect the cultural cultures. So, well, linked with, with this cultural concern, we are going to learn how to express opinions and how to connect ideas in a speech. So in this case, we have to bear in mind expressions to introduce an opinion or a critic, such as I prefer, I think, the best thing about, the worst part about, and here we have some others expressions. Also, we have to think about linking words, how to connect ideas in a proper way. So in this case, here we have some connectors, some linking words, such as moreover, in addition, whatever, thus, therefore, eventually. So we are going to learn how to use them in a speech. It's clear that we have different types of linking words and they have different functions. So we are going to cover the different functions in our platform. So, well, this is our like framework of the project. So we're going to move forward to the web page in which we have the different activities, videos, and we have like a forum in which we are going to have a debate, and students will be able to comment using these expressions to introduce an opinion and the linking word. So let's pass to the webpage. So this is our digital platform. In this case, we can learn about the ethnic minorities through the, well, let's say the English language concern. So we are going to go through these steps, and in this case is like to learn first of all about the culture, and then we are going to learn some skills. We're going to have to learn to improve some skills about how to connect ideas with the linking words, and well, also with the expressions to give opinions. So the first step is to click on this first part. In this case, this is the let's discover. So you have to click on this box, and in this window, we are going to have the history of the ethnic minorities here in Colombia. Most of this information is about, well, the indigenous people, Afro-Colombian people, and the Gypsy people. So we are going to learn how those cultures grow in Colombia, and how they are widespread in this country. We are going to learn about their customs, their ideologies, some of this history, and maybe the problematics. We're going to have the problematics of those cultures here in Colombia. So we have to like scroll down, and in this case, we're going to have a short video. So we're going to learn with this video some of this information in, well, in a different form. So after this step, we are going to open the following link that is called the map. So you have to click on this, and we are going to relate how those cultures are living here in Colombia. We have the indigenous people, which are in, what most of them are in the Andina zone, the Amazonia zone, and the Caribbean zone. The Afro-Colombian people, most of them are in the Pacific zone, and the Gypsy people, well, in this case, we have in different places here in Colombia. So we are going to learn about geography here in Colombia and related with these cultures. Our third step is like let's play. So in this case, we have to apply, we're going to apply the information that we had previously in an activity. In this case, this activity is called Colombian culture. So you have to answer some questions related to this topic. So the first one, what is the name of this population here in Colombia? A, B, or C. You have to click on the best option that you have. The same with the second one. Look at this one. What is the name of this population here in Colombia? Indios, indigenous, mestizo, half-black. With the third, what is the name of this population here in Colombia? You have to guess if it is A, B, or C. And the last one, which Colombian sons are the most of the Afro-Colombian population? So you have to think what could be the best option according, well, to the information that we had in the previous steps. So that was like a practice about culture. So in this case, we are going to move forward to the second phase, let's say. In this case, we are going to develop some ideas, some tools to express ourselves better. So in this case, we are going to learn in this box about connectors of linking words. This is just to prepare for the debate that we are going to have at the end. So we are going to watch this video. This is an interactive video. So we are going to learn the types of connectors, the functions, and well, we're going to have different activities using this short video. So, well, after this video, we are going to have a game. This is again to practice with this connectors topic. So we're going to click on this part, the part of quiz, and we are going to again to answer what could be the best option for this question. These are connectors. You have to guess. In this case, you have to select 3 answers. So here we have also, moreover, from, of, but, or they. What could be the 3 options that are correct? Here we have the second one connector of emphasis. Here this is about the type of connectors. Firstly, definitely, as a consequence, or for example. The same with this one connector of addition is, excuse me. Here we have never, while, including, hence, besides. Well, you have to guess what could be the best option according or based on the video that we watched. Here we have one connector of contrast is, well, and so on. We have different questions related to connectors. So in this case, it's just to like improve, let's say, our speech. So we have learned about the connectors and about, well, the cultural topic, which is the ethnic minorities. So our last step is let's debate. So you have to click on this box and it will open this this web page. And in this case, we have 3 different questions. With each question, you should write a paragraph to answer this question. For example, the first one, what should children do in order to avoid discrimination? So you have to like guess, you have to think about that, let's say, experience that children should have, and you have to like give suggestions, advice for these people. With the second question, what is missing in order to avoid discrimination? You have to think about erasement, discrimination, xenophobia, about what are the politics nowadays, what are the economical status of these people, and you have to write again a paragraph answering this question. Okay, and the last one, have you ever suffered from discrimination or erasement based on your culture? So you have to guess about your personal experience, if you had let's say events of discrimination, and you have to like describe what was that experience, and well, you have to like give ideas in order to like figure out that that experience or that problem. So you have to think about what should have done in let's say in that at that time. Okay, what you should have done at that time to like cope with that people that was discriminating to you. So well, I think this is the last step to like conclude, to match the cultural concern with the language learning. So I hope you enjoyed this this ethnic minorities project. So if you have any comment, any questions, you can like left your comment, click on this button. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this short video.